Hi there, let me show you how to add or remove favorite contacts on your iPhone 15. Let's get started. And firstly, we're gonna need this phone application. Let's just launch it. And here you can see this contacts tab, but we are interested in the favorites one. So just go there, then tap on the plus and choose any contact from the list. For example, let's choose Maddie. Here we have three options. We can either add to favorites message, call, or video call. I'm gonna choose call, then select phone number, and now it is added to favorites. Let's do just the same but with another contact, which is Cassie. I'm gonna select her, then I'm gonna select message now. And here is how it looks. If I'm tapping on the Cassie, it will bring me straight to the messages app. So now how to remove it from favorites. Just swipe left from the contact and you'll see this delete button. Just like this. Don't be afraid, it won't delete your contact from the contact list, it only deletes it from the favorites. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.